Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do a fridge organization and a shopping haul with you guys. I ordered some fridge organization containers and I will show you them now, but we're going to organize the food into them and organize them into the fridge. So if you love organization, then make sure you keep on watching, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So these are the containers, and I also just put this cupboard one in. So I thought this was really cool because it just makes the tea cupboard a lot more practical. But I also just went shopping, so before we organize I will give you a quick rundown. We did do a bulk food shop.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in.
So we got some wraps, 5 cup soda for cleaning. I wanted to get the Eco Store brand, but they didn't have it, so I just got the Sards Wonder soap. I picked up some body wash, Sucan, some dates, baking powder because all the recipes require it and I don't have it. Spelt flour, coconut oil, teriyaki sauce, avocado, lettuce, baby wipes, crackers, veggie chips and corn chips. I also grabbed some organic pasta, some eggs, almonds, beetroot, some apples, bread and muffins. They will go in the freezer. Some gluten-free Scotch finger biscuits, Kewpie mayo, sushi rice, beans, cheese, broccolini. I did get some chips and squid and dinosaur nuggets. I know they're definitely not healthy, but they're kind of just those go-to things when you literally need like a really fast meal. These last us so long in the freezer, guys. I also got some Baza fillets, some chicken and some almond yogurt. So in total all this cost $170, and I think that's pretty good considering most of this is bulk foods and will go in the freezer and pantry.
It will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain?
So our fridge is like clean and everything in there is like edible. None of it is out of date, but it's definitely not organized. So I do want to kind of sort things out. Like as you can see, like cheese and vegan cheese is at the back, and I just need to give it a little bit more of organization. So I'm going to use this container for the dairy.
And there should be two of us. And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little organization. If you did, give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.